It's a Rock County effort to go green. How stimulus money could play a role. Beloit Public Works officials continue looking into hydrogen as an answer to cutting fuel costs. Tests started last fall. Rock County reporter Brad Chamson tells us with the new technology, the city has some high hopes for the future.
What we're going to try and do is displace as much fossil fuel as possible.
Since Beloit started looking into hydrogen boosters in November, everything has changed.
The electronics controls were not available at that time, and now, I mean, it's almost unheard of to buy one of these units without full electronic controls.
The new generation of boosters still uses electricity to separate water into hydrogen and oxygen and burn hydrogen for fuel. But the addition of electronic controls and computers means a more reliable system.
The operator gets in, starts it up, and goes. There's nothing to adjust. It adjusts automatically.
Right now, our fuel budget is roughly $710,000, and if we see a 25% savings in fuel, it'll be a little over $177,000 in savings.
Officials say a savings of 25% could be modest. One prototype could do far more for heavy-duty machinery.
In theory, we could reduce our fuel consumption by 90% on one of the big garbage trucks if this works the way it's designed.
If the boosters work, the city will try to equip all 163 vehicles in its fleet for about $400,000.
If we could take advantage of some of the stimulus money that the new administration's put out, we hope to pay for most of that.
Officials are looking to determine what grants could qualify, but grant funding could still be a long way off.
We're definitely going to get the ball rolling. We collect some of the preliminary data and go from there.
In Beloit, Brad Chamson, WISC News 3.
And Brad tells us the boosters not only increase performance, but officials say it also improves emissions. Now, in one truck, hydrocarbon emissions drop to 0 parts per million when the system is up and running.